pink.
The kids love it.
What was that?
I'm only here for Tyler Hackett.
You're gonna do superhero landing. Wait for it. Woo! Superhero landing. Yeah, that's really hard on your knees. Totally impractical. They all do it.
Dragon tales. It's almost time for Dragon Tales. Come along, take my hand. Let's all go to Dragonland. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men.
Daddy? Do I look like...
I loved you.
I don't think I loved you, too.
Damn! This girl is on fire! This girl is on fire!
Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. When I walk in the spot, this is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me.
So what, you and your sidekick go bad?
Sorry?
Your partner at Gotham PD. I'm no mind reader, it just seems kind of obvious.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You remember one time I liked you? No. Good, because never happened. Aha. Oh.